It's Bibli King mntanami. Another day, another dollar, another episode of Angisakufuni as we are cruising nicely Mzansi. One thing that I promise you, South Africa, I will never leave you alone. I will always be with you and I will always deliver as I am delivering right now. Baphalile ngibalandile ngisebenzisa ipetrol yasekhaya ibhasi lasekhaya itulo zasekhaya camera yasekhaya kanye nemic yasekhaya ngaze ngasebenzisa namajita asekhaya. Welcome Dlamini ukhona ungigadile simpisho behind the camera, as you all know bafethu bade bafethu ukhona la ngapha fethu ula as we are cooking what we have to cook the best. We have Eric in the car fethu and it's Bibli King. Thank you so much South Africa for making sure that silokhu siqhubeke njalo and silokhu siniphekela njalo la show lawa amnandi. Njengamanje it's isiza abantu. Take me to it. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunu, class. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. Hey! What made you go to Why the food that? Why the food? Why It's about that time. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. We are back at it, mtanami. You know, it's King Ginger. Bafethu, ngisiza abantu. My sister ngibhalela uthi awuthi yakhe akasafrostani what is what. It's ngidonsa my sister kube uyo ngichazelayo because you know what it is. Sefikile King Ginger, usefikile ugobela wama relationships. Let's see ukuthi kwenzakalani. Waza my sister. How love?
Hi.
Njani? Ngiyaphila. You know, man, when I saw you, you reminded me of this other brave lady from the Eastern Cape. She was on TikTok, I think a few months back, and she was, I would say, an activist through the kids that were being abused in such boarding school in the Eastern Cape.
Yes.
So she was standing up on that and confronting the perpetrators, or if I can say like that. But that was her saying that. So when I saw you and I was like, man, you look like this lady that was, you know, and yeah, I wonder what happened to her story and everything.
Maybe we have, because now I have a closer line, bloodline, understand?
For sure.
Plus, I'm actually working with kids also. So
For sure.
Yes.
What do you do with the kids?
I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher?
Yes.
In what grade?
ECD. I'm doing NQ level 5 and 6 for preschool. For
preschool, grade R.
Yeah.
That's where my love is.
Yes.
I have a foundation. It's called Be Youth Foundation. I deal with kids. So what I do as also King Ginger, I give away school shoes for free. I do have a pair in my car right now. Yes. I go around. When I see someone, I do so from my heart. So big up to that. But today, sihlanganiswe okunye siswami. Sihlanganiswe umjolo. What is your name?
Kamala Mozama.
Zama.
Yes.
Zama, your surname is?
Umthetho kaNyambos.
Nyambos omkhulu.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa Nyambos. What's going on?
Nginenkinga nomuntu wami ne.
Yeah.
I met up with Pascal like 9 months ago. Ne? Everything he was a loving person. Ngihlale Soweto, ngihlale Midrand.
Sure.
I understand, we met at the mall. So our relationship kept going kahle. Everything was fine. He used to call me like every day, like tingi, almost like from ekuseni till we sleep.
Sure.
I understand. He used to come to me, uyangivizithela umuntu, like yabo uyanginikeza imali akunankinga.
Yeah.
Things started changing 3 months ago. Umuntu like seka distant. Mangizama ukumfonela akasabamba ama calls wami. He doesn't call me anymore nje. You understand ukuthi you hi. How are you? I'm good. Like nje it's just simple, straightforward. So I don't understand ukuthi kahle yini inkinga. Akasezi as usual. Uyabona? So manje nami angisanda and plus we have a joint account mina naye. We opened up a joint account. I saw just this Saturday on the 30th.
Yeah.
Beka umswipe guy. He was with Father Christmas. Beka uFather Christmas like.
Sure. Kwenzeka izinto.
Kwenzeka izinto.
So what went wrong if you can maybe?
Ngisola ukuthi uthola umuntu. There is ayikhenye. Like yini le engaka everything like he was. The love is good, everything nje. Empedeni ku right. Konke ku right. So inkinga yini? So I don't know. He must tell me ukuthi kahle inkinga yini.
Ouch.
So aze nje azoziphendulela ukuthi inkinga ikuphi.
So now what's your decision? What are you deciding to do from
here? You guys. Naye nje saying right nje ngaye nje.
Sure.
Like saying right. I think ukuthi manje maybe it was a fling. Kimi. So or maybe I'm a rebound goal asas. So manje aying right. Funa nje ukuthi ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ku grand.
So right. Asamthanda.
Hayi.
So wena sesamsekhona nomunye umuntu omtholele?
Uyavela.
Yavela. Kancane.
Musa. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's great. So I'm with Ubhuti Welcome la. Uyena wafika nalama options kule show.
Okay.
Wavela wathi nje kumina Mtimande mina into engizoyenza ukuze ngiparticipate kule show ukuthi ngipha abantu imali yokugibela makuthi bayidinga. So if you want out yakho ngathi mawuqeda ukuhlukana nayo sinika imali igibele yePre from ePre angazi noma imitrend yatholala ePre
or uzoyithola.
All right. ePre taxi rank and then mitrend ahambe and then wena sokubuyisela ngebhasi.
Angasabheki nasemuva.
So you take that option?
Yeah, angasabheki nje nasemuva.
Ngicabanga ukuthi 50 rand ingamshiya halfway emitrend. Hayi kodwa from eJozi kuye emitrend mhlawumbe 30.
Akuduri.
Mhlawumbe 30 40.
Kakhulu.
30 40. Awumlande. Awuyilande lenkonzo. So happiness in your new chapter?
Yes.
Loving, caring. Focus isasekhona.
Ikhona.
Yes.
Straight nje konke khamba vele ngohlelo. Yena nje kushuthi kumele abheke naye lokho akubhekile ke. Once. Okay. Why you can? Makafuna ukuthi kube njalo.
For sure.
Akunankinga.
I know. For sure. Oh, weirdo.
Yebo.
For sure.
Yes.
This side my brother. Baba wami.
Yabona ukuthi uLuka innocent.
Sister my brother bani kama?
Igama Pascal.
Ekasi bakubiza ngoba?
Ekasi bangibiza ngo49 cent.
49 cent.
Yebo.
Yeah. Iqhamuka phela ka 49 cent.
Bes busy in the music nyana kancane nje inspire of course by 50 cent.
Sure.
Nyana, that's why come khona lapho yabona.
Power to that. So my brother, tell me, so are you that guy who's still doing a window shopping?
Right now I'm doing a window shopping for a lot of things. Izinto eziningi special for umuntu wami lana and then ngiyazama impilo kancane but everything is going according to path but
Pascal.
Yebo.
So i-window shopping yakho yenza for into eningi ne?
Into eningi.
Yeah, into eningi kakhulu. No, Pascal, I'm also a musician by the way. I also do trap music. I know if you're talking about 50 Cent genre, which means you are what is 50 Cent doing? Is he a rapper?
50 Cent is a rapper, is an actor,
and rapping. Yeah. So you're a rapper.
I'm a rapper.
Yeah, me I trap like Migos, you know.
Okay, like Migos.
Like Migos. Can't show him again.
Okay.
Yabo?
All right.
It's in only papel verse.
Verse for now.
Awnalo.
Anginalo kwamanje because I'm cooking something.
EP?
something, cooking something in the closet for now.
Biggest platform, bruh.
Not yet. I'm cooking because there's some other people.
Have you wrote a song for your girlfriend?
Not yet. I'm working on that as well. I'm working on that.
Maybe a chorus.
Kuningi.
Kuningi, ne?
Kuningi.
Okay. But Pascal, baba wami mfethu nginomuntu wakho la. Sichazelile la wemthanda ngakhona, another way umphethe kahle ngakhona. Wena, what is it that you love about her?
I love everything about her. I love the way she cares for me. I love the way she handles things. I love the way she understands me.
Fire. For sure. Do you understand her?
Sometimes I do, but the way things are going, kunzima to understand because lately I feel like ngathi kune something missing, but yena ngiyamthanda.
So leyo nto ifilwa uwe.
I feel like
Have you spoken with her about it?
I thought this is just about being a woman. Yeah, izodlula as time goes. Yeah, I thought she's maybe having a moment, and then from there she's gonna be okay. From there we're gonna be the way we used to.
Yeah,
you know, I love the way she speaks to me when she's in the right place.
Yeah. So have you ever thought that you waiting for her to come back, it might be you losing her?
Losing her, I've never thought about that, but why should I lose her? She's my person.
Because you are seeing that there's something missing, but you are not fixing.
Yeah, but you know, like with women, you can never be sure. Maybe you're gonna speak, she doesn't wanna speak, she's not ready, and I wanna give her that.
Have you asked
moment.
though?
No, I haven't asked. About it.
There's something she wants to tell you, unfortunately.
Baby, Inda.
Hi Pascal, Brand.
Baby.
Nginenkinga ne. Ngicela King Ginger ukuthi azongisiza.
That's me.
Okay.
I've seen you like manje lately. You are way different. As much as you just told them, mangalele nje ngokutshela King Ginger ukuthi there's something that you're cooking. There's not even a song nje ukuthi yaw noma ngathi I love you baby, it's a song, at least it's something. Uphekani le engaka, what are you cooking, bro? You've been distant. Number one.
Kanjani?
Wait, angithi ngiyakhuluma. You've been distant. Ne? Ukuba distant kwakho like mfethu awusafoni. When I tried calling you wena. Dwi nje. Iphendula kufana ukuthi ngiyazifonela. Amazi umuntu ohlanyana abathu yazifonela.
Baby ngiyazama.
Uzamani?
Ngizama.
Ugcine ukukhuluma nami mawucaba.
Baby ngibhizi nje ngihlanganisa ukuhlala.
Uhlulwa yini ukukhuluma yini? Khona umuntu okubeka isibhamu la washo ukuthi hey
baby.
Usuku uphekani yini? Le papa lela livuthwa.
Lizovutha nawe uzojabula.
Yo. No, dude. No.
49
now
cent.
tell me again ngendaba ya weekend on the 30th Saturday. Remember ukuthi sine joint account.
Yeah, baby.
And then again wait. Ngithi yimi ngikhuluma. Yes. Kwenzakaleni ke ngale mali nje le ephumile. Was I tell you the time ukuthi when was the last transaction?
Yini so uyangicloud manje.
Hayibo. It's a joint account, isn't it?
I understand, baby. Mara being baby.
How? Explain. It's a simple question.
Baby, I was trying to do something. Unfortunately, le mali iphume at the wrong time.
What is it? You didn't even bring something yena ukuthi hey baby like khuluma.
As I told you, the music yami. Ngichala ukhipha imali nyana ngiphume nama producer ngiba impress nami.
What's the use of having a joint account? Because obviously, if we have a joint account, I tell you.
49 cents, come on.
Like 49 cents, like yazini. Ngathi uzoyehla kube 15 cents.
It was a momentarily thing, like baby, like I was caught up there. I needed to show them, and I needed to act in speed.
Uze nani ke?
Okay, baby.
Mangathi ungikhombise manje accountini ukuthi kunemalini?
Angazi, baby.
Must I show you?
Angena
Must I show you?
Nane indawo bukuzwa.
How?
Swipe up.
Ngithi nje yazini beka ufather Christmas nje kuye worst party to make things worse akusukuthi manje maybe you went to a mall or etshwaleni.
Babe, as I explained, I was with the producers and then we went out and then I also had to be like a man and show up myself and
akunankinga ke so manje ke na njengoba ngingayizwa lento ngiexplainela yona ukuthi uthini cause nje wena nje ushaya short left nje yale
baby.
no like siyamela I need to try short left there. I'm asking you just a simple question. Then, when I kumele uthi mangithi A uthi B.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So now, I come up with a decision to let you go, bruh.
Yeah.
I cannot
No,
do it
baby, you
anymore.
can't do this.
Mamela.
No,
My man.
Man.
He's letting you go.
Dude, yazini yonke into beyi-right,
Setting you
everything
free.
was fine. Like konke beku
Bewumupha nemali.
Nithi nje yonke
baby.
imali seyiphuma hawu. Instead ukuthi ingene so yayikhipha. So mamela ke.
Matasaseni, baby.
Okay ke nozotasa it's fine.
Yeah.
Mara.
I'll be back.
Nje-
I'll be okay. baby.
Then ke
I
ngaleso
promise
sikhathi
you.
I'll be gone.
Okay.
No,
I
baby,
am
don't
gone.
go.
So ufuna i-break. Sathani i-break ka 30 years.
Thank you.
No, angifuni break. I-break yani, babe?
Yayazi lengoma ka Eminem and when I'm gone just carry on.
No,
Yes.
I know the song.
Thank
but baby,
you.
Right now, I need you.
So then
we can do the window shopping.
Listen to
together.
that song nje wena man. Window shopping.
Make it come
49
out.
cents.
Uyabona?
Baby, come on. We can do this.
I-window shopping ngani ngayiphi imali kwanje? Mamela
I'm
mfethu
cooking
okay.
something. Just give me
Ngicela-
a couple of months and it's going to be cooked.
I will be far by that time.
Baby, I promise you, I'm going to give you the
Uyayazi
whole
Fast and the
world,
Furious
baby.
lesi ndiza ngayo ebusuku.
No, babe. We don't need to go
Ngithi ke
there.
nakhohlwa
Leave me
ngiyoshaya.
now, babe. Go
Mtshele
with the
sister.
rest of it.
Mtshele ukuthi wasamfuni.
Mfethu hayi sengiready, I'm good. Khona okuvelile esayidini.
Ubani? Kunomuntu.
Angeke ube-
Ya uthi khona umuntu
Ukhona.
aseqoqa naye.
Angithi manje wena phela ubusy nawe.
Yini olomngane wakho emsebenzini?
Hawu,
Nah, baby, don't do that.
angizange ngikhulume ngendaba yosemsebenzini. Wena kahle kahle unenkinga naye.
Anginankinga naye, but baby, you
Uyamsola.
can't do
Uyamsola and
this.
usola umuntu orong ole.
Baby, askisi. Ngiyaxolisa.
Sorry. I am sorry,
Phela
like
ngingeke
ngicela nje
chance.
ukuthi nje.
Yeah, but
please.
Ashley. And another thing, Ashley, don't worry. When you are an artist, you will get more. There are lots of bitches around here.
Thank you. Angithi bebahleli nama producer obviously when they sitting with
There is
the
a producer
Hawu.
bitch.
Ngifuna
There is a
wena,
top
babe.
bitch.
Ngifuna wena, babe.
Uzoyenza i-joint account naye nihambe niyopheka leyo
ngifuna
papa
i-joint
yenu
account,
like
babe.
yazini
Ngiyacela,
mfethu
babe.
hey ube maybe
Don't do
uweze
this,
kuncedisa ukuthi ube
ngiyakudinga
u50
manje.
cent
Yeah.
ukuthi uphelele or uzoba 55 cent ukuthi nikhuphuke I don't know
49, 49.
No,
No.
I say 49 cent
Can we talk
mfethu
about this?
mamela please understand it as much as nami ukuthi
Baby,
manje
why?
mamela ngeke understand
Give her a
angithi
song,
ungiphile thank you
Give us
nothing there's nothing
a goodbye song.
akuna nix at least when I came up with a song like by Eminem so it's
If I give
fine
you the song, would you stay?
no
Eh?
No, it's already
If I
late.
love so good,
It's
would you still
late.
be mine?
Kunini uyipheka le ngoma?
Give the love.
Dude,
The love
okay
is
again. I need to
there,
you were
baby.
sitting with the producers
me in
on
the
Saturday.
eyes and
Wait,
see the beauty in my
The love.
listen.
Where's the love?
Listen, you were sitting with the producers. Where's the song?
Uthe now there's
Ah,
something short
uzokhuphuka, it's fine.
in your relationship.
Ish.
Uthe there's something lacking lately.
Yes.
I think
But-
everything is lacking because I'm slacking.
Well, and then can you find out manje?
No,
He asked you ukuthi kahle kahle. Did you ask me ukuthi
Yes,
ngirighty
babe.
or
I
what?
need- I-
Were
I
you
need- I want you to
communicating?
Come, babe.
Sure.
Come when everything is alright.
Uwanted ufana nokuthi bathi imvula iyeza.
Yeah.
Lemvula izile.
Izile. Inethe bani wena uyi-one?
Now, babe.
Oyinetha manje.
Shuthi inetha manje, iminethe nini? Ikunethile?
Wena.
Wena.
Mara ngiyakudinga.
Hayi, thina
Yo,
somile.
mama.
Uyakwazi ukudlala ngamagama.
Yazini.
Ngibambile Ashley.
Iyo.
Uyashiblika.
Hayi
Hey,
mara manje shemayi.
Ngiyacela, babe.
bakufonela uproducer.
Izwa, yashikhala.
Babe,
Producer.
Yashikhala.
No,
Baby, can we talk about
Mamel,
this?
no.
No, my brother.
Sorry.
So,
No.
Zama,
I am so sorry.
Ashley,
Askisi Pascal.
uzama uthe sikunika u50 rand.
Ungagibela itaxi, it's fine.
For yini, baby? Ngicela ukuhamba nawe.
Uze nami.
Sikhuluma nje.
Uze nami.
Ngicela.
Uze nami.
Uthe asikunika i50.
Uze nami.
Uzogibela Crepes Emidrand.
Uze nami.
Amateksi
Ah,
uwathole
uzogibela
eBrain.
uzogibela
Akhona amateksi
itaxi.
eMidrand eBrain noma akupha se-MTN rank.
Probably awekho amateksi ahamba lana.
Awekho.
Akhona.
Hey, okay.
Ayithembisi.
No.
Akho khona.
Akhona.
Ish. Mara baby why kumele ngihambe?
Oh, awucabanga baze bakuphi imali engaka izophuma ne-change.
No.
Hayi mnika 100 rand.
Ngawena.
Awuna ushintsha 50 lapha.
Angina.
Thatha 100.
Cabanga ke. Producer yakhona.
Ngiyacela.
Don't worry,
Ngoba
bathi keep the
uyakhona.
change.
Yenzekani?
Bathi keep the change by the way.
Ngoba uyaqhuma.
Ngicela ukuhamba
Let us to
nawe.
know.
Sicela ukukhuluma le ndaba.
Sorry. Angeke ngikhona.
Ashley is late.
Hayi shame like it's already late. That's why ngisho ngithi at least sekukhona
Ashley,
nje
bambe
omuntu.
kahle le mali
And
abantu
manje lo
bakuphe
ongiphethe yazini. Yo.
Baby why?
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 But now
Why?
Ashley why?
Wena why?
Baby ngiyazama.
Why umiyeke why uthi uyaleka?
Awuzami. awulandeli negama lami.
Uzuthi uvele wakhetha ukumbuka.
No, ngiyamthanda.
Uzibulele.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Hayi uzoxolisa askisa.
But my brother, I wish you all the best. Ngathi i-career yakho yomculo ingahamba kahle. 49 cent adume umhlaba wonke musukhala. Hawu. Ngoba ngizama ukukhulumela la. Cela abantu nimsupport u49 cent. Yeah. Utho kwamanje usazoqala yobhala because ayikho into angasishayela yona.
Kwamanje just wait, give me couple of 2 months nyana. Yeah, Puma, you're gonna love it. I'm cooking.
Yeah.
Eh? Izobuya my future to be.
My future to be.
Yeah, dedicated to my person.
Yo. In 2 months time
ngizobe
baby
Aisha 49 cents in fact you know what like fana ukuthi mina nawe besipush business.
No baby. Mina nawe
ngasho kanjalo like azini sho ukuthi ngizothi it was nice doing business with you.
No.
In other words.
No. Guys.
49.
Guys, come on. I love this girl.
No,
10,
sorry.
20, 30, 40, 5,
You're right.
6,
Thank you.
7,
I'm good.
8, 9,
Guys,
49.
Can't we work?
No, we cannot as
Can't
much
we
as
talk
no,
about it?
no.
Ama-tax azophela.
And ayaphela.
Vele.
Bazosale bakubamba nenkunzi le.
Qina 49, qina.
Lendi yakhala ifoni njalo.
Hayi 49 bese ngiyabheda kuloko.
Angazi ngenzeni manje.
Angazi funa isihlahla uzingazihenga nalapha.
Bhala iculo mfethu 49.
Ngizoyibhala.
Bhala iculo ndoda.
Ngizoyibhala.
Yeah, mfethu. Mambise welcome. Yeah, it's over 49. Kube nale ntombazana usujolana yentsha.
How yazini?
About this, can't we speak about
Kubeka nale
this?
ngane nale intombi yakhe.
Ayikho intombi.
Le uyikhiphile.
Akuna hard work. Yo.
Hard work.
Akuna hard work.
Baby ngiyakuthela.
No. Aisha nakuna hard work.
Ngapha sisi. 49 cent osuhlulwa amabhazi. Sohlula na u2 bars nje.
How? Bhala ingoma nge2 months.
Hawu. Yabo.
Hey.
Cause u40 yeah. Yes sir. Sister, how do you feel?
Actually, I feel good. I feel great. Yo, like.
But he sounds like a very calm guy. Ubuya ngathi umuntu ophansi.
Yeah, uphansi.
Awuyiboni ngathi uyaluza.
Amanga wakhe awekho phansi.
Oh. Awuyiboni ngathi uyalahlekelwa.
No. Angilahlekelwa cha. Right.
Sometimes.
Ay. Sing right. Usayobhala ingoma in 2 months. Akasasho ukuthi hayi like he just gave me
in my future.
How? Future to be. Well, no. Right.
Welcome. Thatha ingane ifake ebhasini. Sidlula sithela my future ngedust. Dango.
Thank you.
Dubula bakazika fula umlilo ziya tsotsi yisigebenge sinani manando leso sibophi phondo sebenza ngengqondo angithi bathi umlilo angithi bathi utshane bulele vusongo thina sazo 51 cent bafana umanando ugiriga khona u49 khona u51 49 dubula bakazika fula umlilo ziya tsotsi yisigebenge sinani manando leso sibophi phondo sebenza ngengqondo isinyoka nyoka 51 cent cash masesh umanando. Yes. Ngivusela amabhazi u49. Hey. Nangu 49 engivusela amabhazi. Dubula bakazi access. Zinyoka ngithi. Jola utawona. I miss you my friend. I miss you. Pam FM. Tekeleke, I miss you. I hope you're good. Mntwana ko Pitori, Zdudla Semtol. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Got some demand to Mabuyo, Bampolunyu stars. Welcome to Sakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. What made you go to Why the ubunjalo. Why wena ungaboni? Why wena umqaba ubuhlanza? Why ungakazi hayi niyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa mkhulu. Hayi niyasho kuyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa. Inkinga usekhathele yisenge.